Guys, we just had two major earnings after the bell, and the good news is not available at this time because there is no good news. Both of these stocks are crashing. And yes, we're going to talk about Mongo and Dell. Dell was kind of the sweetheart of the Twitterverse and whatever other verse, trading verse, you can call it. This thing has been in a wonderful uptrend, really. I mean, you have gap higher, bull flag, blah, 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 blah. That was then. This is now. Dell, major gap lower, about 20 points we're seeing after hours as I record this video. Now, one twinkle for Dell, I don't know what a twinkle is. We're going to make words up right now. The good news for Dell, actually, that may come into check is we are holding some volume support. That was this cluster right here, right around 148.50. Normally in healthy market conditions, you will see this area be bought into the next day, right? Nice green candle up. That was a little dip, and then we flip right out of it. However, currently we're not in so good market conditions. If you have been sleeping under a rock, you have not seen NVIDIA absolutely get whacked today. So there's a little bit of fear in this market, and it's cool. You can see this trading live. The next dip lower will be into this area, right around 134 is my downside target for Dell. Okay, what does this mean? If we're below here, right around this, like 146, where it's trading now on Friday or next week, whatever the case is, whenever you're watching this video, you will most likely see a dip back below and fill in that gap to about 135. That's how I would trade this thing. Ultimate support, if you're looking to buy Dell, would be the point of control on the volume profile, and that is down to about 123. All right, so those are my targets for Dell, Popukala. And let's move on to MDB. So we actually called this to go shorter on my service, trade to close. By the way, we are doing a special. Usually it's $97 a month. We're giving 1 month of trade to close for $17. So you can trade stuff like this. Get in. We have a live portfolio. It's really fun. We do aftermath trades, before trades, and we also trade the actual close. So if you can watch the show, that's even better. But yeah, click the link, $17. I'm going to move on from trying to sell my service to actually talking about MDB because some of you want to do this on your own. Not for the faint of heart, but if you do want to do an aftermath trade, let's take a look here. MDB, big gap lower. That was the easy money. The easy money was made there. Furthermore, this normally portends that we'll have further selling into MDB. I would wait maybe a day or two for that confirmation and for me, I would get into some like near dated puts to take advantage of that because let's say next week comes around, Mr. Market decides to be in a good mood that day. And we fill that gap right up because MDB is a crowd favorite. I see it a lot on social media. So its fan club might be back and buy it right back up. So that's kind of how I would assess MDB. Not surprised that this one gapped lower. The chart looked nasty. It actually is below my target right now, which was about 250. Woo! Sorry if you guys are in MDB. Not sorry if you guys are in trade to close. Yes, that is my service. We're giving away 1 month for $17. We'll see you there. We'll absolutely be trading NVIDIA, the Qs, MDB, perhaps for even more gains there, and all the rest of them that are reporting and trading into next week. All right, so you can click the link for that. Of course, everything is trading. And also, if you don't want to pay, we have a free newsletter, Trading Today. You can sign that up for free. I'll put that link in as well. Do you guys like MDB? Do you think it's going to fill the gap higher, or is it going to absolutely crash into oblivion? We'll see. Let me know in the comments. Oz is out.